For me, productivity in a sort of construction infrastructure context is usefully understood as having a part which is about effectiveness, i.e. doing the right things, and a part which is about efficiency, i.e. doing things right. Actually delivering social impact through the totality of the project is critical, as well as doing it using minimal resources, minimal money, minimal impact on the environment.
Productivity in the infrastructure and construction sector, I think, is mixed. I think the statistics would tell you that productivity is flatlined, and compared to other industries that have progressively improved productivity over the last few decades, construction industry hasn't changed. Yet when I go out on site, I see pockets of really highly effective things, highly productive things, tunnelling, viaduct construction, off-site manufacture. So there's pockets of really high productivity. I think the opportunity for us is to spread that across the whole industry and bring the whole industry to those kind of levels of excellence.
Unfortunately, I don't think we're doing very well against that measure of effectiveness and efficiency at the moment. And if we just rattle through a few things, is you've got the Get It Right initiative pointing to something like 20% of all project costs on average being associated with avoidable error. We've got program delays everywhere. We've got projects that simply don't deliver on their business plan objectives. 25, even 50% more materials being specified into structure than is necessary to comply with codes.
The starting point for looking at productivity often comes from how do we deliver the outcome of the project, the piece of infrastructure, for less. You can design and build things in a way that's really safe. So you can manage out construction risks by less people involved, or by things being fabricated off-site that can be used on-site. There can be better quality by having things standardised and repeatable. Less use of resources means less impact on the environment, so there's an environmental benefit. So thinking about how to do things in a really productive way can bring a load of other benefits with it.
Delivering improvements in productivity, the prize is huge, but getting there is quite challenging. Very often we're delivering one-off processes. We don't really have either, to be honest, the mindset or the techniques necessary to deliver continuous improvement often enough. It's a complex ecosystem with lots going on. There's a huge amount of actors, and getting them to cohere and align around a transformation towards improving productivity is tough. It's tough to do. We have a problem with initial conceptualization of our projects. We know that we're not getting the initial projects framed up adequately, and if you get that wrong, nothing else will save you.
To start, we need to think about how do we think through planning and design and construction together. So how can we plan and design things in a way that make them more efficient, and thinking about that as an end-to-end process.
And while I say it's a big challenge, it's going to take a long time, that's to get to the end. Actually, we'll be getting benefits out of this as we go. This is a process where we've got to win every year. We can't wait for 20 years until happy days. So the way we're delivering this stuff, the way we drive this improvement has got to deliver, and I believe it can. That allows us to get to the end, because we know that we live in a sort of short-term focused economic environment, political environment, and frankly offering people prizes in 20 years' time is not attractive.